to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to download YouTube videos easy and for free without downloading any software. But before we start, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new YouTube video. Hit the like button if you find it useful, and if you have any question feel free to put them on the comment section and I will get back to it shortly. First, go to one of your internet browsers and type Gen YouTube and hit search. Click on the first result. Type name of the video you want to download in the search box and hit search. Click on the Generate Download Link button. This will generate many links depending on quality. Choose one of them, but I recommend you to click MP4 720p and wait for the download to begin. As you can see, downloading started, and just wait for it to finish, and you are done. What I am about to show you next is completely optional. Copy the link address. Add it in the URL section of IDM to make downloading faster. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye.